Happy Thanksgiving. Well, I wanted to help my friend David out. He's in Massachusetts on how to use N1NTE SDR or any one of the Kiwi SDRs. So the first thing you got to do is just search for the Kiwi SDRs. I'm going to put in Kiwi SDR, software defined radio, and put in N1NTE. This guy is pretty close to you, and he's in Massachusetts on the border of Connecticut. So once we do that, you'll see there's this one here. Let's see if that'll work. Okay, this basically is now a website that the Kiwi guy puts on, and now you can search for a location or a call sign. I use this one a lot for the East Coast, so I tend to know what it is. And now you see all these SDRs, which is, boy, there's like 4 of them running. So anyway, I think the highest number one's best with DB. So let's hit this one. And put in the call sign. All right, now it's running. So you can check your signal on 20 meters or on probably 40. So go to 40 meters and put in a frequency like 7280. Whoops. So go 7280. Enter. Okay, now you see there's some stuff going on there. We can close this. And now I'm going to turn the volume up, and I hope the microphone picks it up. Let's get the volume turned up here. Okay, so there are the signals. There's not much going on, but if you would go to CW mode, and then you can widen this out by hitting this plus key here to widen up the scope. And then if you would transmit here, you should see your signal right smack here. So say you were going to transmit on this frequency on 7.275. Then here, you should see your exact signal right on this line here. I'm not sure who that is transmitting, but someone's on there. So yeah, and this thing will listen to upper sideband, lower sideband. Anyway, that's how to check your frequency. Just go to CW, which is narrow, and then type in your frequency, and that's it. These little buttons here will change the frequency up and down. And these are for finer frequency tuning. So that's how that works. Now to hear something live here, we could try 20 meters. And hit upper sideband.
November 8, Tango Sierra Uniform, QSL. I've got you 5656, Oscar Hotel. Excuse me.
Anyways, you can see the frequency is 14.245. So if you set your rig to 14.245 upper sideband, you should hear yourself clearly, like these guys are coming in here. Anyway, that's how to use the SDR. This will cover all sorts of bands, actually any frequency from 0 to 30 megahertz it covers. So 18100 is going to have some FT8 on it. Probably 14074. 074 is FT8. Yep, there it is. Anyway, you get the hang of it. So all sorts of FT8 coming in. Let's try 10 meters. That's how you can tell if the band's open or not. Oh, look at that. There's tons of stuff going on. So we're on 10 meters here. Let's see if there's any signals. So to look for signals, you can basically go up in the air and there, okay, there's some stuff there. I'm not sure what it is, but just click on the signal you want to see and upper sideband, yep, and volume up. Sounds like data. Whatever that is. There's someone talking a little bit. Nope. There's only sideband on 28420.
Enjoy your evenings, the best to you, your family, and good health. And look forward to many more contacts. So Mike at 7 o'clock Ocean Delta, the best to you, good health. This is Kilowatt Echo 6 Tango Zulu 73. Cheers.
California station. Anyway. That's how to use the SDR.
Okay, yeah, I came up here, the frequency is clear. Then I forgot exactly where I was down below there. So I thought, well, maybe I'll come up here, you'll show up. So very good, thank you. Anyway, yeah, that 2 AM was moving in there and was really giving you...
Anyway, yeah, to check your frequency, just put something in at 40 meters probably during the daytime, like 7, 2, 25, I suppose. 7225, enter. And then you're on 40 meters, go to CW and broaden it up a little bit. And now your signal should be right here. So try transmitting a carrier on tune position and be on CW mode and see if it ends up here. Of course, you can go to lower sideband and try to transmit. 7225 lower sideband, you'll see the sideband will appear here. Upper sideband, the sideband appears here. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.